Hey guys, happy Earth Day. We are going to begin with our calendar time. So today is April. That's our month, A-P-R-I-L. And our day of the week is Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. And remember, every day of the week ends in the word day. And we have our Wednesday here, so we're just going to go straight down until we get to our next number and turn that card over. So today is the 22nd. That means yesterday was the 21st. And tomorrow will be, what comes after 22? The 23rd, so it would be 23. That's going to be tomorrow. All right, today we're going to be talking more about greater than and less than and equal to. We have three things we're going to talk about, and we talked about that yesterday, is which number is greater and which number is bigger, which number is smaller. So now we're just going to put some symbols with that, and I'll show you how we're going to do that. So here we go. So we have three symbols right here. We have that one, which is just really that one turned around. But they can go either way. They can go that way or they can go that way. And then we have our equal sign. And I'm going to show you how we are going to use these today. So let's just put those over here to the side. And I'm going to get my cubes out again. I'm going to think of a number. I think I'm going to go with 4. So I have 4 red cubes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to grab my blue cubes. I think I'm going to grab 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, first thing we have to do with this problem is, which one is bigger? Is it the 4 red cubes or the 3 blue cubes? So I just want to, I want you to take just a second and think, which one is bigger, 4 or 3? 4 is the bigger number. Because if we look on our numbers chart, we find 4 right here. And then we have 3 blue cubes. Well, 4 goes up, so we know 4 is bigger than 3. So what we're going to do is figure out which symbol we need to use. Since we know 4 is greater than, we want to use the one like this. And I'll tell you why. So what helps me think, or what helps me figure out which one to use is, I think of this as a mouth, almost like an alligator. Like an alligator's eating the bigger number. Because if you think about it, do you think an alligator would want 4 fish, or do you think an alligator would want 3 fish? I think he would want 4. That's a bigger number, so I'm just going, you don't have to do this, but I like to because it's just fun. I like to draw my teeth like this, and then my eyeball. So that's like my alligator eating my bigger number. All right, let's do a different one. Let's do this. What if I have 2 red cubes and 2 yellow cubes? Now, which one's bigger? Which one's greater than the other? Well, they're both the same, so I can't really choose which one's bigger because both have 2. This one has 2, 1, 2, and this one has 2, 1, 2. So I can't really use my alligator, right? Because there's not one to choose which one. They're both the same. There's not one that's bigger. So I'm going to grab my equal sign. And this just means that they're the same. That they're the same. 2 and 2, the same. All right, so for your paper, I want you to do, and it's not due until Friday. I know I'm posting this a little late, and I'm so sorry. I want you to write these numbers just like this on a piece of paper. So 3, 5, 10, 12 on one side, and 1, 8, 10, and 11 on the other side. And what I want you to do is figure out which one is greater than. Or if there's a set that's the same, then I want you to figure out which one's the same. And you're going to be comparing those two numbers, these two, and these two. I should have drew that line. I'm sorry. So let's just do the first one just to make sure you guys understand how I want you to do this. So we have a 3 and a 1. We're comparing just those two numbers, nothing underneath right now, just the 3 and the 1. I want you to tell me, is the 3 greater than? Or is the 1 greater than? Which one's the bigger number, or are they the same? Well, we know that they're not the same, because if they're the same, we would have a 3 and a 3. So they're not the same. We have a 3 and a 1. Would my 1 be bigger than my 3? Let's look on our numbers chart just to make sure. We have our 1 right here, and then we have our 3 right here. It looks like my 3 is bigger than my 1. So I'm going to draw that symbol, because my alligator wants to eat my 3, because 3 is bigger than 1. So I'm going to get my pencil. Right now I have a marker, so anything you have, and I'm going to draw that. And it's almost like an arrow pointing to the smaller number. But we want to focus on the bigger one though. All right, guys, and I will take a picture of that and I will post it so you remember what numbers to do. And I hope everyone liked my science experiment yesterday. We had a lot of fun making it. We kind of had some problems with our lava lamp, but I'm going to figure that out and see if I can post it later. And since today is Earth Day, that's going to be my essential question. What is your favorite thing to do outside? Your favorite thing to do outside. I think my favorite thing to do is probably play with baby Presley. I like to be outside and put her in the swing. It's lots of fun. All right, guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.